Hi everyone, welcome to today's English lesson. Today we will learn restaurant vocabulary. These are easy words for beginners. Are you ready? Let's start. The first word is menu. Repeat with me. Menu. A menu is a list of food and drinks in a restaurant. Look at the example. Can I see the menu, please? The second one is waiter. Repeat after me. Waiter. A waiter is a man who brings food and drinks to customers. This is the example. The waiter is very kind. Continue with waitress. Waitress. A waitress is a woman who brings food and drinks to customers. The waitress brings my coffee. See the difference? Table. A table is where you sit and eat. Our table is near the window. Got it? Chair. Chair. A chair is something you sit on. Please sit on the chair. When you ask to someone. Food. Food. Food is what we eat, right? When you go to the restaurant, you say the food is delicious. Drink. Drink. Drink is something you drink like water or juice. Example, I want a cold drink. I want a cold drink. Look at this word. In United States, people say water, but in United Kingdom, people said water. See the difference? Water is a drink. We drink water every day. Can I have some water, please? Juice. Juice is a sweet drink made from fruit. I like orange juice. Or you can say I like strawberry juice. Coffee. Coffee. Coffee is a hot drink. Example, my father drinks coffee every morning. Or my sister drinks coffee twice a week. Breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Or you eat breakfast in the morning. Lunch. Lunch is the meal in the middle of the day. We have lunch at noon. Dinner. Dinner is the evening meal. My family eats dinner together. Bill. The bill tells you how much you need to pay when you go to the restaurant. Example. Can I have the bill, please? That is the question. Fork. A fork is used to eat food. I eat salad with a fork. Spoon. A spoon is used for soup, rice, or dessert. Example, I eat soup with a spoon. Now let's practice a simple conversation. In this conversation, you can understand the pronunciation and the grammar structure. Imagine you are in a restaurant, right? After that, let's do an exercise. I'm going to be the waiter and you are going to be the customer. Then we'll change roles. You will be the waiter and I will be the customer. Are you ready? Let's begin. Waiter says, hello, welcome. Customer says, hello. Waiter, here's the menu. Customer says, thank you. Waiter, what would you like? And customer says, I would like a sandwich and some orange juice. Customer says, can I have the bill, please? Waiter says, of course. Customer says, thank you. And waiter says, you're welcome. Simple, right? Now let's continue with the practice. It's time for the role play. I will be the waiter and you will the customer. Read the customer's lines aloud, try to speak clearly and don't worry about mistakes. Hello, welcome. Here is the menu. What would you like? Sure, of course. You're welcome. Now let's change the role. You will be the waiter and I will be the customer. Let's begin. Hello. Thank you. I would like a sandwich and some orange juice. Can I have the bill, please? Thank you. Easy, right? Remember, practice is the key to improving your English. Now I'm going to read the paragraph and use the vocabulary from today's lesson. After that, you can pause the video and practice read it by yourself. Ready? Let's read. I go to a restaurant with my friend. We sit at a table and the waiter gives us the menu. I would like a hamburger and some water. My friend would like chicken and rice with orange juice. We eat our food with a fork, a knife, and a spoon. The food is very good. We drink our water and juice. At the end, the waiter brings the bill, we pay, and say thank you, and go home happy. Great job, guys! You finished today's lesson. Keep practicing every day, and your English will improve. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you later in the next lesson. Bye bye.